artificial kidney is a device to remove nitrogenous waste products from the blood through dialysis. So it contains a number of tubes with a semi-permeable lining suspended in a tank filled with dialysing fluid. This fluid has the same osmotic pressure as the blood, but the blood only contains the nitrogenous waste materials. The patient's blood is passed through these tubes. So which one contains more waste products? The blood, isn't it? So during this passage, the waste products from the blood pass into the dialysing fluid by the process of diffusion. You studied about the diffusion process, right? So the amount of nitrogenous waste material is higher in blood. So that by the process of diffusion, the nitrogenous waste materials from the blood is passed to the dialysing solution, and thereby the waste materials are removed. The purified blood is pumped back into patient's body. You can see the setup here. So this is a patient, this is artificial kidney setup, and here fresh dialysing solution is given, a yellow color, that is that represents the dialysing solution, and a series of tubes are there. Here used dialysing solution is collected here, and finally the purified blood goes into the patient's body. Normally in a healthy adult, the initial filtrate in the kidneys is about 180 liter daily. So that's all about the excretion in human beings. So now let us check the excretion in plants. Plants use completely different strategies for excretion than those of the animals. So the first one, excess water removed by transpiration. Transpiration, you know that, is the removal of water as vapor through stomata. So the excess water is removed by the process of transpiration, and many plant waste products are stored in cellular vacuoles. And you know that oxygen is a waste product in photosynthesis, so that can be removed through the stomata. And the waste products may be stored in leaves and that fall off. Some waste products are stored as resins and gums in all xylem. This method is only used by some plants, and some plants also excrete the waste into the soil around them. These are the different methods used by the plants for the excretion of waste materials. Thank you.